Little storyteller.
Charlie was a little chameleon, bright green and always curious. His best friend was Lily, a kind girl with a room full of colorful things. One sunny morning, Lily laid a rainbow-striped shirt on her bed. "Oh, this is my favorite," she said. Charlie watched, his eyes swiveling. He thought the shirt looked like a field of happy flowers. He wanted to be part of the colorful fun. Slowly, carefully, Charlie tiptoed onto the soft cotton. The stripes of red, yellow, blue, and green were so bright. As he moved, something amazing happened. Charlie's skin started to change. First a red patch appeared, then a yellow one, then blue. Soon Charlie looked just like a tiny part of the rainbow shirt. He giggled, a silent chameleon chuckle. He was blending in. Lily came back, scooped up the shirt, and folded it neatly. Charlie, perfectly camouflaged, was folded right inside. It was a little dark and smelled like sunshine and fabric softener. Suddenly, he was moving. Lily carried the folded shirt to her wardrobe, a tall wooden castle full of clothes. She gently placed the rainbow shirt on a shelf. Charlie peeked out from the folds. Wow! He was surrounded by all sorts of clothes. There was a fluffy pink sweater that looked like a giant cotton candy, a pair of blue jeans that stood up on their own, like friendly giants, and a sparkly silver dress that shimmered even in the dim light. It was an exciting, unexpected adventure. He even saw a striped sock that looked a little like his own stripes. After a while, Lily opened the wardrobe again. "Where's my rainbow shirt?" she wondered, looking at the neatly folded clothes. Suddenly, she saw a tiny rainbow patch move. "Charlie!" she exclaimed happily, gently unfolding the shirt. Charlie turned back to his bright green color. He was so glad to see Lily. Lily held Charlie close. "You had a little adventure in the wardrobe," she said with a smile. Charlie nuzzled against her hand. He had learned something new. It was fun to blend in, but it was even better to be with his friend. Lily giggled. "You know, Charlie," she said, "just like you can change your colors, it's good to remember that everyone is special in their own way." Charlie blinked his big eyes, understanding perfectly. Being himself, with Lily, was the best adventure of all.
Please subscribe. Thank you.